Bringing you back for the last little piece because it looks rather dramatic. I can only pull the saw. Okay, let me conclude. Don't use a heating element. But here we go. Now I have at least 4 pieces that I shall be playing with going forward. And that is these here. So, right. Something like that. So let me get the model. I think I can just... What is that? What is this? Ah, I know what that is. This is the central element that fell out. So this is filled up with sand, and then there is another piece of wire in here. So that means I can empty them out, and they're actually tubes, and all of it will be then the sand. Let's just say it's sand. Let me call this a day for the time being. Wash my hands, bring the model, and show them what my plan is. So, let me see what the situation is. What we have here is a chassis from a Bugatti Atlantique. You know, the famous Ralph Lauren Bugatti in 124. And I changed my mind about blah blah. I'm not interested in that stuff. So what I've done is I put some 18 scale wire wheels from Burago. They are everywhere. I sleeved them with some, I think this fell off a case in the airport by someone who was cycling along with his wheels on the case, and it just came off. So I just loosely stuck the Burago wheels inside, so that gives me a nice big fat rear wheel. So let's have a look. Well, these monsters here, they will be sitting right next to each other, otherwise it won't work. So that is kind of what we're going to do here. And then I'm going to trim them to equal length. So, are you with me? I mean, it's a little bit, you need some imagination of what's going to happen. But that's basically what I'll do. I'll drill a hole that is big enough, and I can insert it and then make some monster exhaust pipes. 3 of them, longest first. So that's the plan, okay? Now, what else do I have? The axis of my rear, let me take you out. Let me just show you what's going on here. The rear axis is a pin, ballpoint pen. and none of this is fixed. This is just mock-up stage, all right? See, this is the original axis of the 124 scale frame. I'm gonna cut this off. My gearbox, whatever that is. It's a bicycle, something or another, a drawing pin. I don't know what this came off. This is definitely something of a shower. Antonio Banderas, and the front axis is a piece of wire again, and a lot of what you call it, that post-it thing that you put pictures on the wall with. These Burago wheels are some leftovers of some testing. Obviously I used some brown, trying to put some rust on there. It's not quite successful. So yeah, here we go. I don't know where all the other bits and bobs are, but for the time being, what we have for today is something that's going to make my exhaust pipes. So there's straight through pipes, and the big holes on the top is the recess for the spark plugs. So 4-banger Pendine hot rod sand racer. That is the very beginning, but I'm looking forward to this. I like it already. So if you know what's inside this heating element, let me know. I'm dying to know. So hope you're well, and hope you're playing, and I hope you're having fun. Take care. Bye bye.